There we go. Yeah, buddy.
Hey, yeah, no cheese.
All right, we're hanging up the wall control panels. I have the remaining 3 panels here to go up. So I'm gonna stage them here. This is the right one, this is the left one, and that's the middle one. So put this one over here so we know. That one goes right there. Now I just gotta get my ladder, and get up here and now I bought these anchors here. These are the Easy Anchor, drywall anchor. I like these a lot because it really speeds up the process. So I'm gonna use my number 3 Phillips to install them, and then I'll switch to my number 2 for the screws. See how quickly they go in? I don't have to worry about drilling. It's got a thing in here that just rips right through the drywall.
With the cheese, man, you got me confused. Sorry that your friends didn't tell the bad news. Everybody at the party, I'ma leave it black and blue. Stop looking at me crazy, this ain't about my attitude. I think it's rude that you played me. Told you no cheese, bro, I say it on the daily. Why you crying, asking me why I'm so angry? I told y'all you should've understood.
Here we go. Here, buddy. Ta-da! I don't do it, you do it. Yeah, you see the shirt? Yeah. Boom! Look at that. I don't do it, you do it. Yeah, big thanks to the HangTimeStore and Wall Control for producing an amazing product. Really represented my image, my logo, my branding well. And then we got that one too. So yeah, now the murals are complete for videoing. You know, I got my whole plasma cutter thingy here going. You can see I just did my address placards, painted in some Rust-Oleum. So yeah, this is a 4x8 plasma CNC that you're gonna see these puppies in a lot of my videos. It'll be in the background for sure, depending on where I'm working, if I'm doing welding here or if I'm doing a flip around. Yo, what's up? I don't do it. You do it. And that's Uncle Eddie. Yeah, so it's cool. And then, yeah, it matches. Yeah. Yeah, so again, big shout out, HangTimeStore, Wall Control. They make it real easy for doing whatever size configuration. And if they don't offer the configuration that you need, they will put it up as they did for me for this. So when I originally requested it, this was not an option. This it's 3x3 horizontal, 2 vertical panels. So 6 panels total. So yeah, digging it. My branding's on point now. Yeah, buddy. How cool is this though? This thing matches my shirt. I wear this shirt like all the time when I'm doing work. You can tell it's dirty as crap, but I got like 6 of them, and I use them just for doing work and recording my videos too. Sometimes I'll switch it up and go to my red shirt, which you'll see on the other panel there. So yeah, you may notice that No Cheese Records is embossed in the background in slate white, and it comes through a little bit in the red, but it's really prominent in the white. And that was intentional. And it comes through up top a little bit, I think, but that was muted. It was really for the bottom. Yeah. And then I drew a similar pattern for Savvy for his jacket. But this is one of a kind for me. Yeah. I don't do it. You do it. Yeah, buddy. And you got the No Cheese Records logo there, registered trademark. Boy. Yeah, buddy. And then on the other wall, let's see, we'll come over here. So let's get that right there. Yeah, so right here on this one, so you got Uncle Eddie and me, and similar license right there, but that's in black and white. And I should have actually taken that and put it down there. I didn't think about it until it was too late. I already ordered everything. It's wild stuff. And that's the red shirt I wear sometimes. I should actually switch it up and have red for a red work shirt for doing certain activities, and then like this one for doing others. Like this one maybe for doing welding and stuff, and then that one for doing like other activities. I don't know. I'll think about it. But now I'm gonna work on some signage for in here because I got a, let me swap the camera around. So like this wall here, I have a lot of available space. I mean, I could put up more wall control there because I got some of these panels, these white panels like I did here. I could put up more there, so I got some more hanging space. But I was actually thinking about doing some You Do It logos or something and putting them up there. Same thing with that little bit of space up there above the door. I don't want anything like hanging that could fall off the door, so I would actually secure it with screws. And then there's a little bit of space up there. I don't want to occupy too much. And I was even thinking about doing a sticker board. I'm not sure where the stickers are going to go because I got all these stickers from all the 3D printing events and Workbench Con and the other events that I've gone to where I've sticker swapped with people. So I just want to make sure wherever I put it, it's not going to get destroyed. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so thanks for being on this journey with me. We're cranking along and making the space that I envisioned it for being productive for fabrication. I don't do it. You do it.